Matterport is an all-in-one 3D data platform trusted by contractors to capture, share, and collaborate on their property scans. Xcelerate software and Matterport are integrated, providing enhanced benefits to contractors using both platforms. It's easy to see which of your job records within Xcelerate are integrated with Matterport. To integrate a job file with Matterport, simply open the job file, select the Matterport link, paste the unique URL string provided by Matterport after creating a property scan, and conveniently preview the property scan within Xcelerate. You can see data points that have been saved on the scan and walk through the property as if you were there in person. An additional benefit is the ability to email your Matterport scan through Xcelerate to any contacts, such as agents and adjusters. Contractors within Xcelerate software and Matterport are enjoying the many benefits of the integration today. To learn more about this integration, contact Xcelerate software.